My name is Demita and welcome to my channel. Today I will be talking how to make money online. Now this is my way 9. These are my suggestions. You can try them if you like, but my suggestion for way 9 is to sell a service on Fiverr. Now this is Fiverr. You will simply click to become a seller. Work your way. You bring the skill. We'll make earning easy. So a gig is bought every 5 seconds. Projects completed 25 million, and the price ranges from $5 to 10K. Now it says join our growing freelance community. I'm a designer. I'm a developer. I'm a writer. I'm an editor. You have musicians, voiceover artists, and web analysts. So what's your skill? Become a seller. That's where you will click. But how it works is you create a gig. You sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to their global audience. 2. Deliver great work. Get notified when you get an order and use their system to discuss details with the customer. Then you get paid. Get paid on time every time. Payment is transferred to you upon order completion. These are buyer stories. These are the questions and answers. What can I sell? Be creative. You can offer any service you wish as long as it's legal and complies with their terms. There are over 100 categories you can choose to get ideas. How much money can you make? Well, it's totally up to you. You can work as much as you want. Many sellers work on Fiverr full time, and some keep their 9 to 5 while using Fiverr to make extra money. How much does it cost? It's free to join Fiverr. There is no subscription required or fees to list your services. You keep 80% of each transaction. How much time will I need to invest? It's very flexible. You need to put in some time and effort in the beginning to learn the marketplace, and then you can decide for yourself what amount of work you want to do. How do I price my service? With gig packages, you set your pricing anywhere from $5 to $995 and offer 3 versions of your service at 3 different prices. How do you get paid? Once you complete a buyer's order, the money is transferred to your account. No need to chase clients for payments and wait 60 to 90 days for a check. So here it is. Sign up and create your free gig today, your first gig today. So yeah, my way 9 is to start a Fiverr. Sell on Fiverr. It's a suggestion. I use Fiverr. I've been a customer. I have a couple gigs on there for sale. So that's my suggestion. I thank you for listening. You have a great evening, and I'll holler at you next time.